Verbs in English. I go. I went. I will go. I buy. I bought. I will buy. I take. I took. I will take. I come. I came. I will come. I do. I did. I will do. I have. I had. I will have. I make. I made. I will make. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. I think. I thought. I will think. I know. I knew. I will know. I eat. I ate. I will eat. I see. I saw. I will see. E a última eu deixo com vocês. I am. Deixe nos comentários. Did you know that? 7 days, 1 week. 14 days, fortnight. 30 days, 1 month. 365 days, 1 year. 366 days, a leap year. 10 years, 1 decade. 25 years, silver jubilee. 50 years, golden jubilee. 60 years, diamond jubilee. E a última eu deixo com vocês. 100 years. Deixe nos comentários. Look at me. Answer me or answer to me. Think about me. Laugh at me. Talk to me. Care about me. Wave at me. Send to me. Write about me. Shoot at me. E a última é um desafio para vocês. Smile me. Deixe nos comentários. I can. I could. I know. I knew. I think. I thought. I bring. I brought. I drive. I drove. I find. I found. I send. I sent. I say. I said. I speak. I spoke. I write. I wrote. I sleep. I slept. I have. E essa é um desafio para vocês. Deixe nos comentários. Wait for me. Come with me. Listen to me. Start with me. Think about me. Talk to me. Write to me. Send to me. Look at me. Care about me. Repeat after me. Study with me. E a última, deixo com vocês. Call me. Deixe nos comentários. At 6 a.m. On Monday. In the morning. At midnight. On July 3rd. In 2026. At noon. On Christmas Day. In spring. In March. E a última aqui é um desafio para vocês. I like studying the afternoon. Deixe nos comentários. Take or get. Take a picture. Get married. Take medicine. Get angry. Take care. Get a job. Take a shower. Get hungry. Take a bite. Get shock. E a última é um desafio para vocês. Deixe nos comentários. Talk to me. Point at me. Dance with me. Study with me. Cook for me. Think about me. Dream about me. Learn from me. Repeat after me. E a última, um desafio para vocês. Look me. Deixe nos comentários.